everyone, welcome to my channel Joe's Moses Kitchen. Today I am preparing a mom's fish curry. I am cooking with mom, but she's not coming into the video, but you can see her hands and everything somewhere here and there. It's a special fish curry she makes all the time, and it's so delicious. When I'm on vacation back to India, always I ask her to make it. So this time I got a chance to make this video for you guys. Let's start making the secret recipe of my mom. I'm using 6 pieces of mackerel here. We have to marinate the mackerel. We cut the mackerel into 3 pieces. You can cut into 2 if you like, but my mom always likes to cut into 3. Make sure you make cuts on the fish. Wash the fish in a bowl. Add chili powder, turmeric powder, and just enough salt. Mix well. Add a little bit of water and mix well again. Make into a fine paste. Add the mackerel we just now washed and drained water into the marination and mix well. Excess marination push into the cuts we have. It will make an extra taste and flavor to the fish. Rest it for at least 1 hour. That makes the fish so tasty. Now we can fry the fish on a pan on a medium heat. Fry the fish. At my home, they use knife to turn the fish. That's how it works. As a professional, we use all the spatulas and everything. Nice crispy outside, juicy inside, nicely fried. The coconut, we will extract the first milk and the second milk and keep it aside. On a low heat, add onions, saute till golden brown. It will take time to get into golden brown. Slowly cook it down. It makes a lot of flavor. Add ginger and mix well. Add few curry leaves and mix well and saute until it is golden in color and all the flavors are come through. Add coriander powder, chili powder, and turmeric to the sauteed onions. Mix well and let it cook on a slow fire until the spices are cooked and oil has come out. Then add the second milk to the mix. Nicely combined. Let it cook for some time. Add a little bit of water. You can use the same bowl what you used for the coconut milk. Add some water. Then add some salt. Mix well and let it boil. add vinegar, and combine well. Bring to boil. Add the fried fish to the curry and simmer for 10 minutes. Taste the curry and adjust the spices. If you need more salt, add more salt. Then final touch is to add the first coconut milk. Combine well. Turn off the heat. Enjoy. For this mom's fish curry, I don't want to make any comments because I eat it a lot of time. It's so flavorful, so delicious. But you have to do one thing for me. Please support, share and subscribe my channel, Josh Moses Kitchen. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.